Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in day 22 of Junk Journal January, hosted by Meg of Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. Be sure and check out their channels and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January and Junk Journal January 2024. And today's prompt is bookshelf. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here's day 22, bookshelf. I've got that girl with a bookshelf in her mind, and it says just a girl who loves books, and that's always been me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Don't forget to check out Meg and Get Messy Art's channels, and be sure and check out those hashtags, Junk Journal January, Junk Journal January 2024. If you check out Junk Journal January, you'll see the ones of the previous years as well. So y'all have a great, wonderful day, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.